So I just created this AI chat assistant called Buddy. But because I didn't have any actual business to embed it to, I decided to create a fictional business called Ching Ching, which is a luxury credit lending business. So before I tell you a little bit more about the AI chat assistant, let me tell you a little bit about the business so that you can understand how this AI chat assistant plugs into the business and how it is useful in the business. So Ching Ching is a luxury credit lending solution business, and on the website you can view how much money you can get, how long is this going to take to repay it, and how much interest are you going to get charged on your loan. But then as a customer, you might have other questions about the loan agreement terms and how you can cancel the loan or settle the loan. And that is where the Ching Ching AI assistance comes in. Because some people are a little bit skeptical of calling the company because they know they are going to get referred to a call center, and sometimes in a call center it takes hours to get response, or sometimes you don't even get the assistance that you actually needed because the call center queues are very long. If you call a call center, they'll say you are customer number 50 something, and then you must wait for hours until someone picks up your phone or until you are the first person in the queue. So then that is where Buddy, the AI chat assistant, comes in. The AI chat assistant works 24/7 and it answers your questions instantly. So this is not a generic chatbot. This is a custom AI chat assistant. To generate custom knowledge for the business, I used a help from AI. So you can use Gemini or ChatGPT or whatever AI you prefer using. So for me, I used AI to generate frequently asked questions from customers before they take a loan, and I created a website as well. So since I created a website, I also use it as a knowledge base for the AI chat assistant. To create this chat assistant, I use Chatbase, their free account, which you can grab a link in my description to sign up, and then you can also create your own chatbots. So as you can see, to open the chatbot, it is on the side here. You just click the open button, and there you just click the chatbot button, and then it opens. You will see that there are preempted questions which you can click to ask the chatbot. So like if I click one, it will just answer the question. So you can use those preempted questions to to give the customer an icebreaker or a question it can ask, an idea of a question it can ask. So I just asked that question and then it answered me. So as you can see here, this chatbot uses human language. Like it explains to you, like it's explaining to it's like another human being is explaining to you. Okay, so now I can ask other questions like since I asked how to qualify for a loan, I can ask other questions like what will be my loan payment, how long, oh, let me ask this one. How can I settle a loan? How can I settle my loan? Then it's going to give me a response. As you can see, this is not like those generic chatbots where you can where you just click buttons and buttons and buttons and then it ends up being useless or never helping you at all. This is like a you can settle your loan at any time by contacting our customer support team, but I didn't add any customer support team numbers here because I didn't want anyone calling the chatbot and then they find that there is no one answering. So this is how the chatbot works. If you would like to have something like this for business, you can sign up for Chatbase and then you can create your own chatbot, or you can just hit me up and then you can work with me. I'll leave details in the description so that you can contact me and then work with me. We can build your chatbot from there. So now this is how the chatbot works, and this is just a little bit of how the chatbot works. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can just head over to this website. It's nkululeko.com /Ching Then you can try out the chatbot for yourself. Up until then, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe.